Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. This algorithm is used to generate an arc 1 by 8 part of the arc, that is from 90° to 45°. As you can see in the diagram, from 90° to 45° we can generate an arc 1 by 8 part of the circle by using Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm, and remaining part of the circle can be generated by using 8-way symmetricity of the circle that we have studied in the previous video. What is the 8-way symmetricity of circle? And by using 8-way symmetricity, all the remaining 7 parts of the circle can be generated. So here one thing you should remember is to decide how to decide which pixel to select, whether the adjacent pixel is selected, that is the pixel which is just next to the given pixel or current pixel, or the pixel which is below the next adjacent pixel. Means if current pixel is having coordinate xi yi and next adjacent pixel is xi plus 1 yi, and the pixel which is below the adjacent pixel is xi plus 1 yi minus 1. So here x coordinate get automatically incremented by 1 in each iteration, and y coordinate will have to decide whether it should be decremented by 1 or it should be remain as it is. It can be decided by using decision parameter. And decision parameter is based on which pixel is closer to the actual circular path. As you can see in the diagram, if d2 is smaller than d1, then pixel p2 is selected. If d1 is smaller than d2, then pixel p1 is selected. So as you can see in the diagram, p2 is having coordinate xi plus 1 yi, and p1 is having coordinate xi plus 1 yi minus 1. d2, the distance of the pixel p2 from origin. d1 is the distance of pixel p2, distance of pixel p1 from origin, that is d1 and d2. As here you can see radius p1 p2 coordinates, p1 coordinates, distance of point p2 d2, distance of point from actual circular path. Here what is that? d1, that is d1 minus r. d2 is distance of point p2 from actual circular path, that is d2 minus r. By using distance formula we will get d1 and d2 under root of square root of xi plus 1 bracket square plus yi square, and d2 is xi plus 1 bracket square plus yi minus 1 bracket square. Here only x and y coordinate, other endpoints having coordinates as 0 0. Here 0 0, that's why the formula is look like this. Now remember, the decision parameter for Bejerans circle drawing algorithm is d equal to d1 plus d2, d equal to d1 plus d2. Now one thing you should remember is d1 is always positive, and d2 is always negative, and we are performing addition, actually we are performing subtraction. So d1 is positive value and d2 is negative value. If decision parameter is positive, then which pixel should we select? We should select the pixel which is below the adjacent pixel, that is y coordinate should get decremented when decision parameter is greater than equal to 0. If decision parameter is less than 0, then no need to decrement y value, means only we need to increment x value. Okay, so let us derive this decision parameter. So d equal to, so d1, for simplification, d1 square minus r square, d2 is equal to d2 square minus r square. We know what is d1, xi plus 1 bracket square plus yi square minus r square. d2 is equal to xi plus 1 bracket square yi minus 1 bracket square minus r square. So d is equal to xi square plus 2xi plus 1 plus yi square plus xi square plus 2xi plus 1 plus yi square minus 2yi plus 1 minus r square minus r square. So after simplification, xi square, before simplification, xi square yi square r square, because we know what is the formula of radius of circle, what is the formula for general equation of circle, x square plus y square equal to r square. So they will get vanished all the square terms. So what is remaining? 2xi plus 2xi, that is 4xi minus 2yi plus 1 1 1 3. This is your decision parameter at ith iteration. So what will be the next decision parameter? Depending on this decision parameter, we'll decide which pixel to be selected, which is either xi plus 1 yi or xi plus 1 yi minus 1. Okay, so the next decision parameter will be di plus 1, putting I equal to I plus 1, xi plus 1 bracket square plus yi plus 1 bracket square minus r square plus xi plus 1 bracket square plus yi plus 1. At base we are putting I plus 1 instead of I minus r square. We know that xi plus 1 equal to what? Xi plus 1. But we don't know what will be the next y value. It can be yi or it can be yi minus 1. Next yi plus 1. Okay, so xi plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 yi plus 1. I am not substituting any value of yi plus 1. yi plus 1 minus 1 bracket square minus r square. So here, now suppose as I told you before earlier, that if decision parameter is less than 0, if decision parameter is less than 0, then which pixel should be selected? Only the upper pixel. Then xi plus 1 is equal to what? Xi plus 1. And yi plus 1 equal to what? Yi. No need to increment y, no need to decrement yi, sorry. So value will be di plus 1 equal to xi square plus 4xi. Just I am simplifying this square, a plus b bracket square plus 4 yi plus 1, I am putting yi square minus r square plus xi square plus 4xi plus 4. Here I am putting yi square minus 2yi plus 1 minus r square. Again, as before, all square terms get cancelled. So what is remaining? 4xi plus 4xi minus 2yi. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. But we need to display di plus 1 in terms of di, so I write 3 plus 6. Total value is 9, so I write 3 plus 6. So it becomes 4xi minus 2yi plus 3 plus 4xi plus 6. That is nothing but what? Di plus 4xi plus 6. Di plus 4xi plus 6. Now check whether what will be the decision parameter if di value is greater than equal to 0. At that time xi plus 1 equal to what? Xi plus 1. Yi plus 1 is equal to what? Yi minus 1. So putting that value into the equation, di plus 1 equal to xi plus 2 bracket square plus yi minus 1 bracket square minus r square plus xi plus 2 bracket square plus yi minus 1 minus 2 bracket square plus r square. So simplify, after simplifying, what is will get 4xi plus 4 plus yi square minus 2yi plus 1 minus r square plus xi square plus 4xi plus 4 plus yi square minus 4yi plus 4 minus r square. As you know what from equation of circle, so what will you get? 4xi plus 4xi 4xi minus 4yi minus 4y minus 2y, that is nothing but what? Minus 6i. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13. So 4xi minus 2yi plus 3. So what is remaining? 4xi minus 4yi plus 10. That is nothing but what? Di plus 4xi minus yi plus 10. This value will be the value of decision parameter when di value is greater than equal to 0. What will be the value of decision parameter at the start? At the start, when x equal to 0, y equal to r. How? Here you can see from which starting position we start. At this position we will start. So at this position x equal to 0 and y is equal to what? Value of r. So y is equal to r, and we got equation that is 4xi minus 2yi plus 3. So putting those value, so what is that? 3 minus 2r. This value is at the start. So decision parameter at the start is 3 minus 2r. If decision parameter is less than 0, then new decision parameter will be d equal to d plus 4x plus 6. If decision, and at that time one important thing is y is no need to decrement, x will be x plus 1. When decision parameter greater than 0, d equal to d plus 4x minus 4y plus 10. X will be x plus 1 and y will be y minus 1. This is your derivation of Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm.